Welcome once again, your go-to platform for mastering exam techniques and real-world financial expertise. In this session, we're uncovering the steps to mastering financial statement analysis, a core skill for excelling in the ICAN Case Study exams or other professional case study examinations, and even high-stake decision-making in the corporate world. Financial statement analysis isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about understanding the story behind the figures and turning raw data into actionable insights. In this video, we'll explore 1. How to approach initial analysis, 2. The power of ratio analysis for deep dives, and 3. How to apply these techniques to case study scenarios. Whether you are preparing for exams or want to sharpen your skills for practical use, this video will be your blueprint for success. Let's dive in and build this indispensable skill together. All right, shall we? Let me share the document. Go mini as usual so we could look at these fantastic steps to financial statement analysis very briefly. Okay, I've got many now as usual. So in order to carry out a thorough financial statement analysis, there are a series of steps which should be followed to ensure that the procedure is comprehensive and complete. In this study text, that is the one we are using to see on the screen, they have developed the following headings. That is the steps to financial statement analysis. The following headings are as follows. Number 1, initial analysis. What do you do initially when you have the financial statements, the documents, the exhibits, the management accounts, whatever financial information is provided to you? What do you do at the start? And that is initial analysis. And having done your initial analysis, the detailed analysis, which includes ratio analysis of the key financial statements and using financial statement analysis in the case study or the scenario provided to you. Before developing these steps further, it is very important for candidates to understand that the development of the skill of good financial statement analysis is a lengthy process. So it's not short or a hard and fast rule, but it's lengthy, and we'll be looking at them subsequently. This is both in terms of how long it actually takes to perform a single piece of financial statement analysis properly, and the number of financial statements which have to be analyzed to fully develop this competency. Reading or auditing someone else's financial statement analysis can be deceptive in terms of how difficult or easy that task of analysis is. So when you have, let's say, a three-piece set of financial statement, the income statement, the SFP, and the cash flow statement, it's deceptive to think everything is all right in those sets of financial statements. And the analysis may be a difficult task if you are not competent or skillful enough to carry out this analysis. This is particularly true of financial statement analysis. Auditing someone else's financial statement analysis can give you a false impression that this topic is easy to master. It may not be as easy as you think, but then mastering this technique comes by practice, doing this over and over and over again on different financial statements from different industries and sectors will give you this competitive edge and skill to be able to handle this very seamlessly. So there's no substitute for doing the analysis yourself in order to appreciate the full dimension and complexity of the work. So you cannot delegate this, especially under exam conditions or in the office. If you must master this, it's like eating. Nobody can eat for you. It's like breathing. Nobody can breathe for you. So for financial statement analysis mastery, you have to do it yourself. AI cannot do it for you. AI can only give you a clue on how to decipher it, but the actual grind and the work must be done by you, an aspiring chartered accountant or a finance professional in the field. This is very important. Just like AIs don't audit finance statements, they help the process. So there is no substitute to doing the analysis yourself in order to appreciate the full dimension and complexity of the work. Practice makes perfect. Very important. Ensure that you practice financial statement analysis yourself in order to develop the necessary skills and speed. This cannot be overemphasized. Just imagine a footballer like Cristiano Ronaldo, who doesn't train, just goes out on the day of the match. He will definitely flop. Now, I had the story of Roger Federer, a tennis guru, retired now. I learned Roger Federer trains and shoots on average a week without playing the match 800,000 shots, backstroke, front stroke with the tennis racket for just maybe an hour or 2 hours match. He's trained and shot for 800,000 times for just about 20,000 shots in less than 1 or at most 2 hours game. So that emphasizes the need for practice, and it's the same rule and the same law in financial statement analysis. You don't become a guru or a master in financial statement analysis without practice. This is very important for students and finance professionals. All the same, practice does not have substitute. So ensure you practice financial statement analysis with different financial statements, whether you're preparing for exams or you're in the office, auditing companies as an auditor or an accountant in business. This skill cannot be delegated. Practice cannot be overemphasized. This is very important. So mastering financial statements from banks, FMCGs, corporate institutions in different industries and sectors is key to be able to develop the necessary skills and speed. So get curious when you see financial statements on the Nigerian Stock Exchange or global stock market, the New York Stock Exchange. Anywhere you see this on the internet, get interested as an accountant, analyze their financials. Last week, I was looking at Manchester City Football Club's financial statement. And as I was analyzing their trends, looking at the format of the financial statement for a football club, this helps you develop these necessary skills in being able to interpret and analyze numerical data, because it has nothing to do with number crunching. Number crunching is primary, but secondly, clients want to know the story, the financial story behind the numbers. This is key. That had to be emphasized, and it's very important to be able to glean that the steps to financial analysis from initial to the detailed, it's very important. That wraps up our session on the steps in financial statement analysis. Remember, the journey to mastery these skills or mastering these skills takes time and hands-on practice. This cannot be overemphasized. Just like you can't eat raw food, you have to cook it, be patient, it gets processed. Same way, the journey to mastering this skill of financial statement analysis demands hands-on practice. Don't just read someone else's analysis. Roll up your sleeves, get into the numbers, and create your own interpretations. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exam tips and professional insights. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, success isn't about shortcuts. It's about consistency and effort. Keep practicing, keep analyzing, and keep with. See you in the next video. And until then, bye for now.